Harley Davidson, dude.
Fuck yeah. That's sick.
That's what the seats were like in the 40s? You never seen an older bike?
That is cool though. Look at the fucking. Yeah, let me try to zoom into that.
Bit of a super comfortable.
Look at that. The Harley's pretty sick.
I like that one.
Yeah, that's what I'm looking at right now. That is so cool. I got another blue one over here.
That black one, 59 and 60.
That is so cool. Wait, that is different. I haven't seen all of that. That's so cool.
Hey.
Huh. That is badass. Are we in front of people right now?
No.
Okay. I thought someone's trying to see. I'm over here just looking at stuff. That's it. 1972. I think everybody needs a beer. Check it over here real quick. A Suzuki? That looks comfortable as fuck to ride on, dude. I'm gonna go in the front of this. Keep me there. Oh, look at this guy. He's got spikes. That's I like. I love that, dude. That is so cool.
Give someone a taxi.
I like the bag. What?
You see that shark over there?
Did you see that thing behind you? You see that motorcycle right there, the green one?
It's for like snow, isn't it? No.
That thing is sick. That is so cool. What the fuck? Dude, that bike is fucking badass. The Yamaha. That is my style of bike. I wish I had one. I want to see what year it is. Do 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 do. There's Johnny. That's cool. I like that. What? 68. Let's see.